I can't help but notice that the big are just continuing to get bigger. My friends over at ETF.com, of course, we look at the year-end flows, and one of the things I look at is the size of everything. And I noticed the top 5 ETFs are 27% of the business, of the equity business. So 25 ETFs, all S&P or Vanguard Total Stock Market, here they are, account for 27% of the $4.1 trillion of the U.S. equity ETF market. That is rather remarkable, considering, guys, there's 2,000 ETFs out there, and you got 5 of them that are essentially 27% of the equity ETF market. Harry, I mean, it's just a startling fact. Is this going to continue? Are the big going to continue to get bigger, or is there any other room for anybody else, like Jan van Eck's fund getting bigger, or, Kathy Wood getting bigger?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, the big, they still keep getting bigger. I think VTI was the #1 fund for inflows in 2020, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of these are core holdings, as I talked about before, in models. So the money that goes into models are just going into these funds. But I think 2020 did show us that you can go outside the box and look at other funds. ARK is the perfect story, as you just mentioned. They're the #4 fund group year to date, or 2020 in total inflows, and they were nowhere in 2019. So I think more and more people are looking at more products outside the top 5, but they're still the tops. And it'll be a while before
Jan,
they get knocked off.
you run a pretty. Sorry, Harry. Jan, you run a pretty respectable ETF fund family. It's up there. What are your chances for 2021 getting more assets under management? Or is it all everybody going to just put money into Vanguard Total Stock Market or S&P 500 funds?
Well, listen, we've been able to grow 20% over the last 2 years, I think, each year. But every year is a struggle. Last year, our biggest inflow fund was our Fallen Angel high yield ETF. So you have to have diversity of offerings, I think, to be able to engage with clients no matter what's happening in the market. So it's definitely a getting bigger industry. But if you do have quality solutions, smart beta or whatever you want to call it, I think you can still make some room for yourself in the industry.